Yo, what up, Shaman Dust? What up, y'all? If you're new, welcome. If you're turning, what up, though? Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Go and check out that freestyle boom in the description below. But here we go. Another react video. How old are your ears? Test here. Just scroll down for me. It's lagging. Great. Thank you for the lag. Thank you kindly. Don't say that. This got 12 million. That's pretty decent, but then again, it was made 2 years ago, so that's pretty decent. So putting in that work, son. I wonder where I'm gonna be at 2 years from now. 2 years from now, I wonder where this channel gonna be. Let me know what year you seen this a month. This right now it's November the 5th, 2015. That's right now. I imagine when you watched this. When did you see this video? It's gonna be old, I'm pretty sure, because I ain't nobody right now. I'm a scrub. You a scrub like Calvin. Alright, let me know if you know where that reference come from. That's
As we grow older, we often lose the extreme ends of our hearing spectrum. So, how many of the following sounds can you hear? How old are your ears? Okay, if you can hear 8,000 hertz, you're both alive and not hearing impaired. But let's keep raising the frequency.
Oh, I barely hear that. Oh, I only hear it a little bit. Oh, I can't hear that. No, I can't hear it. It's like clicking, right? I hear it, but it's light.
How high could you hear? If you could hear all of those frequencies, you're probably under 20 years old, but that won't last
I'm not
forever.
under 20.
Unlike other organs such as the liver or skin, the inner ear does not have the capacity to regenerate. In your ear, there are thousands of tiny nerve cells called hair cells. These are responsible for picking up different frequencies and sending the signal to the brain where it's processed. But as you age, the continual exposure to noise and loud sounds can break, bend, and destroy these cells. So why do the high frequencies go first? It turns out that the hairs tuned to high pitches are the first to encounter sound waves. As a result, they experience more stress and tend to degenerate earlier. Which is why the older you are, the harder it is to hear high pitches. Got a burning question you want answered? Ask it in the comments or on Facebook and subscribe for more weekly science videos.
Cheerios! Oh, they played it right now. Nice, that was hot. They played it. I heard it. I don't know, was I supposed to hear the clicking? Well, I don't know if I was hearing it right. My bad, y'all. But I'm not sure if I heard the clicking. Like, it went. So I don't know if that's what I was supposed to be hearing. I don't know how good my ears is. They should be trash by now. I always got the earbuds in loud, cause you know your boy love music. Why y'all up? Y'all not supposed to be up, bro. Let me show. Oh, silent. Let's just enjoy this for a second. But y'all can enjoy that. I'm gonna enjoy this music. I'm peeking though with one eye. Well, you gotta do it that way. Kind of to the left up, to the bottom right. I mean, on that. But you can't put a cup on that. But alright, your boy Dust finna go check out that freestyle boom in the description below. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. 2 fingers to the side. Dust and silent.